Hello traders and investors, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis video. In the previous video, Bitcoin was below 60K. I said that these candles are not rejection candles, they are consolidation candles. Bitcoin above 60K is bullish, below 60K is bearish. Bitcoin managed to get above, convincingly break above 60K. The daily candle held. By now, it is obvious that the weekly candle will hold as well. So the evidence for a bullish case are becoming stronger and stronger. I marked a pullback zone between 62.5 and 61.5. Bitcoin retraced to 62,850 and no more. You can see that this trend line has flipped from resistance to support. I don't know if we will get a deeper pullback, yes or no. It is still possible because Bitcoin is at resistance. Why? You have the 21-day EMA currently at 63,550. You have the 50-day EMA at 63,900, and we still have to get above 64.8, which is a horizontal resistance level. And until we get above 64.8, we don't have a change of character yet. So it's possible, and it's even healthy as far as continuation goes, to retrace deeper. How can it happen? Maybe we have the Asian session on Monday. Maybe the Asian session will open with a false move to the downside and continuation. If you don't have a position at all, this is where I would wait to pick up along. The second option is to wait for Bitcoin to cross above 64.8, wait for a pullback and buy the pullback. These are your two options at the moment. This is the way I see it. Basically, that's it. If you have one more minute, then stay with me. If yes, yes. If no, no. I want to show you something. I have a new student, and I asked this student to it's a naked chart, and I asked him to mark the obvious highs and lows, use one horizontal line and one trend line, and make a decision. Okay, so this is his chart: high, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high. I asked him, why didn't you mark 64.8? He said that in his opinion it's not an obvious high or a low. Actually, he has a point. Okay, so I told him, what would you do now? Would you buy or would you sell? He said, I wouldn't buy and I wouldn't sell. I asked him, why not? He said, I wouldn't sell because Bitcoin is above the resistance trend line. Okay, so why wouldn't you buy? He said, I wouldn't buy because the obvious lower high is 67.2, and until Bitcoin gets above 67.2 and a pullback, I wouldn't enter a long trade. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Out of the mouths of babes and sucklings, you have the clearest, simplest, and the best TA that summarizes Bitcoin's situation perfectly. Okay, so I liked it very much, and I think that sometimes a person that doesn't know anything has a fresh outlook on the chart, can summarize the situation perfectly. I cannot fault his TA at all. Yes, I think that 64.8 is the level, but 67K is the divide. It is certainly the divide because it has been a horizontal level, an important horizontal level. So above 67.2, I think that if we will see price get above 67.2 and retrace, this is also another long opportunity. And I think that in this long opportunity, a lot of big institutions, big traders will enter a trade because these guys, they are waiting for confirmations. They are not impulsive and they don't take unnecessary risks. So I thought I would share it with you. That's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.